Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now come in here today because I want to show you what will be in my next hidden giveaway. I say hidden, I suppose it's not actually secret, I guess, but over the next month I will just look at your comments and things like that and just see. I don't know whether there'll be anything particular that I want you to answer me. Maybe in one of the videos I will put up something, a question or two, okay? And this is going to be the parcel. This will be the present for this time. I've already did the draw for this last month one, and I haven't decided yet what I'm going to put in it, but this is going into this next hidden giveaway, because like I said, I wanted to thank people in a sort of a way where you know, for being subscribing to me and for always leaving your comments. Now, I want you to be a subscriber, of course. You need to have click the little bell, click the like button, and a comment in my video. Now, I don't know which one I'm going to put the question in, but you will find it along the way. So here, for the people that are always watching me and that, and see or watch what I do and like what I do, I really wanted to give this out something. So every month I will be putting up a parcel. This month's parcel is going to be pieces of sari silk. Now these are all been recycled, of course, but they're not by me. I bought them from overseas in India. But so this is going to be, there is this piece here, there's like a piece of ribbon, it's got little hearts all over it, so there's that one. And there's going to be this piece here, it's got a little fold in it, but you can press that out. That's how it came. So there's that bit. There's this piece here. Now it's got little beads on and little sequences. Now this looks a little bit old and used because that's what they are, you know, they've been recycled, okay? Even if you don't want to use the whole thing, you could just use the beads off there, I suppose. Then there's this piece here. This is really nice, isn't it? Look at that, isn't that beautiful? And this other green bit. Is that green bit like this green bit? Oh no, are they two different things? What have I got here? No. They're not the same green bits, are they? I don't know. I've got nothing. I don't know if I was putting this green bit here in. I don't think I am. Forgot what I'm doing. That piece. There's this piece here. Now this has got nice, beautiful purple colours. It's lovely. And this bit here now is a little bit heavy, but really nice, really nice. It's got a little picture on it. So these are all right for your journals, for putting on anything, bags, making bags, doing anything you want to do with them. And that piece there, hope you can see them, and they're not going into the next one. Now this one here's got an elephant on there, isn't he gorgeous? Look, isn't he beautiful? That's sewn on there nicely. There's this one here, now it's got all these little flowers, pretty little flowers on there. There's this piece, it's a little bit it's gold and it's a little bit stretchy, not much stretchy, little tiny flowers on there. There's another piece here. This is a long bit. It's a little bit coming undone off that, but you can fasten him back down. Just you know, probably from being bent in the parcel or whatever. And that's really nice trim to put on your gypsy journals or whatever you just want to do with them. This one here, oh, it seems to have been kicked up a bit. What's going on there? That bit there seems to be sitting up there. It's not supposed to be. Hey, pushing down. There you go. The sequence in there. Maybe that needs to be taken through there or something. But see, this is plasticky sort of thingy, you know. But really good. You can use that in your journals too. That's a nice one. There's a bit of embroidered one. Really nice. There's another piece. It's got little squares. Maybe you could cut them into bits. This is a really nice one. Look, it's got really nice little sewing on it. Look at that, isn't that pretty? And then we got this one here. This one here is beautiful. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Here's another one. That's a nice one. It's got nice little embroidered beads and bits on it. And this one here's like it's got ribbon flowers on there. It's got some little tiny weeny sequins. If you didn't want to use them on there, because some of them are a little bit you'd always take them off and put them on something else. They're beautiful, aren't they? Them tiny sequences. And this nice piece here. Nice piece. And there's another nice piece. This, I think, here is a butterfly. I think this is a butterfly. You know, there's its wing and there's its body. There's its feet. And this part here's been embroidered. There's its eye and it's got little feely things up there. Now this one here is really nice too. Lots of beautiful pieces on that. There's another one. It's a really, really pretty one. All the green pieces and the padded bit in the centre there. Okay, that's cool. That's interesting, look. And last piece is this bit here. I don't know which way these go, but gee, that'd make a good piece on a... Gee, that'd be good, wouldn't it? I might, this, are you joking? That'd make a really good top for a lady on a, you know, like if you had a head and put it in legs, it'd make a really good top, wouldn't it? No, cool. Anyway, so that's me. That's what I've got in here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 pieces, okay? So if you want to leave me a comment, wait until I find out the question, or leave a comment anyway. I don't know how I'm going to do it yet. It's a surprise, isn't it? Okay. Okay, so thank you everybody for watching, and I look forward to seeing at the end of the month who's going to be the lucky winner of this parcel. Okay, international, everybody's welcome. Okay, to have a go. I will talk to you later. Bye bye.